Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California. We're just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more. Today we're going to show you a nice Acra milling machine that just came in. It's a vertical milling machine with a 10 by 54 inch table, nice big size table, a little bigger than most Bridgeports, usually around the 9 by 49 range. Nice big heavy casting in the back. Box weighs, going to make a real heavy rigid cut. It's got, of course, your power feed, variable speed head, and a power table feed. We'll go ahead and run the machine for you, let you hear everything running. Here we go. It's a three-phase 220 or 440 machine. You could switch the voltage on it. You just have to change a little bit on the motor and some of the heaters sometimes. I'll go ahead and show you here. Here's the automatic feed. Of course, you have your three different feed speeds right here. Let's see that one more time. You can see at the end of the stroke, it'll go ahead and return at the top. And we'll go ahead and change the head speeds here. And I'm going to use the brake on the side here. You see the brake works really well. Stopped it instantly. And we'll go ahead and move it to low speeds. That was in the high speed. Now we're in the low speed, running around 300. There's 390. And there's the maximum on the low speed, that's the 500 RPM. There's down to 280. Now we still have a little bit more to check through the machine. We make sure everything is good and ready to go before it leaves. We'll check on this power feed, make sure everything's working. You'll see the power feed will go back and forth. It'll feed into your piece or help you get back to home. And it's also a servo power feed, so it's a little bit heavier duty than any of the import Chinese type. So if you're interested in this or any other ones, give us a call, 626-444-0311. We carry machines new and used, all sizes and styles. Check our website, sterlingmachinery.com, for our most current inventory. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.